Hi there, students. To replenish. Yeah, a verb. Okay, to replenish means to fill up again. To return to the original level. To bring supplies up to full. So the journey was 1,000 kilometers and we had to replenish halfway. We had to replenish the fuel. My savings are completely depleted and I need to replenish them. The farmer had grown crops in this field for several years and he needed to replenish the nutrients within the field. Okay, so to fill again, to fill up again, to make complete again. I think the most common phrase, can I replenish your glass? Yeah, is offering somebody another drink. You see their drink has gone down and you offer them some more. Yeah. There is almost nothing in the fridge. We will have to replenish the supplies in the fridge. The people who left the company were replenished by new workers. The food stocks were replenished by a quick trip to the supermarket. Industrial fishing, the way we fish the seas, does not give fish stocks time to replenish. The government has spent a lot of money in on this COVID epidemic, and they're going to have to find a way to replenish their funds. The warehouse had done a lot of business and needed to replenish from the factory. I guess even the battery of your phone, it's almost the battery's flat and you need to replenish the battery to fill it again. There were birds living in the cage, and every couple of days I replenished the water and the seed that they were eating. Okay, so it's just an easy word for to refill, to renew the supply again, to add a fresh quantity. This product is a very good seller in the supermarket, and they're constantly having to replenish the shelves. Okay, so it's a nice easy word to use instead of refill. How formal is to replenish? This is on the formal side. I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. I think more informally use the word just to refill, to resupply, to renew, yeah, to fill up. Yeah, to fill up again, something like that. To replenish is a regular verb. He replenished my glass. He's replenished my glass on various previous occasions. I was exhausted and I needed to rest to replenish my energy. Okay, as to origin, this comes to us from French through Latin. I think there's a French word, replaindre, to refill. But, and that comes from plein, full in French, which itself comes from plenus in Latin, meaning full. Okay, so this is a nice alternative word to use for refill or resupply. Use it in your essays. It's a nice alternative and shows you've got an interesting vocabulary. Yeah, so to replenish, to refill, to bring back to the original level, to resupply. Yeah, we need to replenish all the beer that you drank last night. We need to put it back. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To replenish.